Look what we've got in our collection now. Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Well, I did tell you in the last video that we are getting another senior, the one that came out before my 1962 Hoover Senior 652A original grey, and here she is. This is my 1960 Hoover Deluxe 652. It was never really dubbed a senior until the 1962 model 652A came out. So this is the Deluxe. Now this was on eBay at where it was bidding, and I got it for a very nice £41.99. The pictures and the description really was putting people off, as it just said it was untested and the plug will be taken off, but I messaged the seller and she basically explained everything that was wrong with it. So from what I was told is the brush roll is very intermittent and smells of burning. So I knew straight away that's a belt or a knackered brush roll. It was absolutely beautifully packed. I can't tell you how much my flat turned into a recycling centre with thousands of gallons of cardboard, thousands of gallons of foam, bubble wrap, the lot. Absolutely well protected in the post. We had a quick look at her when we unboxed her. The brush roll is seized, the bearings have shot, and that was the burning smell as the belt was trying to pull it. I took the belt off, slipped the belt off, tested the motor, turned it upside down, tested the motor. Motor sounds fine, it really does sound quite sweet. There's some tickety noises like tick 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 tick, so in the future you will get probably new carbon brushes, because that's probably what the problem is. She needs a new bulb, but worryingly this is all clear, this side is clear, but that side is very dark, it's black. So when we, because what we're going to do is we're going to do some maintenance and service on her. We're going to clean her up, we're going to take her apart, clean her, put the parts that she needs, and I'm suspecting there's either a suppressor in there that's exploded, or something else that's exploded or caught fire, or no suppressor and just an exploded suppressor remains. Maybe that's maybe what it is, I don't know, but she does run because I've tested her. Not the original bag and not the original cable, obviously, because the original bags are made of vinyl, and getting hold of one of these with the original bag is super rare. We might be able to get a original pink cable. My mate could be selling me a 1334, the original pink red rose with the pink cable. Might snatch that off it. So what we're going to do for you guys, we've got bits here, we've got brand new Hoover belt, we've got a brand new bulb because the bulb doesn't work, and we've got some bags. We're armed with a screwdriver, Dettol wipes, a cloth, and my trusty NVQ 200. So let's do some maintenance and servicing on this girl. So here's the underneath of the Deluxe 652. So this is model 652 JS129389, 1960. It's a shame it's not a 59 when they first came out, but you know, we're not that lucky. So first of all, we take the guard off, and straight away, well, I took the belt off anyway. Now that is pretty solid. That is not spinning very fast, so the bearings are shot. Motor, however, it does need carbon brushes, the sound of it, but I've ran it and she sounds okay. So let's vacuum the bottom of this first. let's get this brush roll out, because that is, oh, totally. It could be completely jammed with crud, maybe. Let's have another go with my pneumatic. Okay, so let's have a look at this brush roll. We'll just make this to one side. Okay. I'm doing it. Pulling it. There we go. Okay. Yeah, seized. What we might do is put some grease on the brush roll and see what that does. Okay, we've got some grease, armed grease. Here we go. What we're going to do is, okay, there we go. I think it's just dry. Yeah, that bearing is dry. Maybe. So we're going to feed it back in. Excuse the fingers. Okay, so what we're going to do is pop some lubricant in there. Okay, and some more lubricant in here. Don't need a real lot. And put that back on. It's loosened it a bit, not by much. Come on. Or you're going to be scrapped. And we'll have to use the one off my grey one. It's getting looser. I personally think it was dry. Crap. What I'm going to do is I know I've just done that, but I don't really trust it, so we are going to stick my grey one in, because that has been serviced and just runs a dream. Remember to put it the right way this time. That's that. The belt, well, we've got a brand new one here. Hoover original, so genuine belt. Here it is. Woo! New belt. Get rid of the old one. Okay, so now while underneath, we've given that a bit of a clean. It is going a lot better. I may need to grease these, perhaps. Don't know. Not too bad. Some fluff in It's as if this is just basically leaked. There's a lot of fluff underneath there actually. Let's see if we can get that gone. With the crevice on the pneumatic. Okay, so we're gonna, I was going to say, I'm going to take the top off and have a look in there before we do the bag and anything else. So this is going to be fun because that suspecting black on the lens doesn't give me much hope. And I think it's something to do with the suppressor. I could be wrong, but we shall see what's going on underneath this hood. Don't think it's going to be clean. I think it's going to be in the right state, personally. It is that one, isn't it? Okay. She is ready to be seen by the world. Oh, we got some black. Right, the suppressor has been removed. That is good news. That is good news indeed. Judging by the black there, I wonder if the bulb. It does need a vacuum. It is absolutely caked in here. Okay. Okay. Not a problem. Well, 2 spiders have been vacked up there. Right, so we'll get in with the crevice for a start before we start wiping away. Yep, dead bulb. You can always tell when it's a dead bulb. You shake it and if it makes a ringing noise then the filaments have gone. That is not all that bad, to be fair. I'm quite liking this. Right, Dettol wipes, because it does need a clean. Doing my best to keep away from the electrics, we don't want to go anywhere near them. Oh, mucky. A bit of scratch in there, that's not good, is it? Try and not get any of the electrics, because it's not good, really, you don't want to do that. We'll dry it off. All I hope for is it runs for many years to come with my service. It might do, it might blow up, but no worries about a suppressor because it has been removed. That will be when it last had a service, I believe. You can see where the suppressor obviously exploded because it was black in here, totally black. Looking a lot better. So we've got some, if there's any dates on there, CB, SB, 2LF, DFL, OH, 2195409. Really couldn't tell you. It's got numbers on the inside of the hood as well. 2CF, SBCB, DFL, O219S409. I really don't know what they mean. Maybe you guys could tell me. We'll give the inside of the hood a clean. Seen better days, but I'm quite impressed with it, to be fair, at the minute. She's in not bad shape for an old girl, and she is an old girl, 1960. Yeah, so main important thing, when you've got anything wet that's cleaning, make sure it's fully dry before you put it back in. You don't want to get an electric shock or any liquid mixing with water. See, you see the black there? That was obviously when the suppressor went bang, I'm guessing. But usually they go with bang, the whole thing would be black, but it's not. It's not too bad at all, that, really. So, I don't know. I don't know. Right, so, secondly what we're going to do is we're going to check the carbon brushes. Oh, sorry, my bad. Right, let's have a look at these carbon brushes, because these may be the reason why it's going tick, 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 tick. And this is how you take them off. Now we want to put that back on to make sure we don't lose it. Like that, that's not what you want happening. And again, I'll sod off, I know which way you go anyway. Right, I'm trying to think, turn it, yep. Way, there you go. Let's have a look. Yeah. I don't know, they're not too bad actually. It's not too bad, it's only gone about what, there? So I think we'll leave it for the time being because that seems okay. But we will put new carbon brushes in eventually. More money spent. The joy. Now putting these back in is there you go. Not too hard to do, realistically. So yeah, it does need carbon brushes, but they will do for now. Not going to. It won't basically. Motor won't fail on them. Check this side now. Should be about the same. Remember where that goes. Lift up, fling out, and again the same. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, we will put new ones in. Nope. Nope. There you go. Like so. No, it's not like so. It is literally not like so at all. Right, okay. So it goes there then. Nearly. There you go. How my legs are hurting. Come on. No, that's fine. Right, we'll check the carbon brushes. We've cleaned out the motor. There's no suppressor to worry about, so that's just absolutely fantastic news. That's in good condition. The bellows are good. We can play with that next. Sort out the bag. But first of all, well, we'll take the bag off actually, for the time being, because it's not needed for now. Okay, I'm happy with that. Right, so we want to put the new lamp in, so we're going to look at this lamp and we're going to look at the rating. 25 watt Ostrom 240 volt. 25 watt. This is a 15 watt. Yeah, we can plug it in and try it. So this is a Crompton Lights sign lamp. Different design. This one though, superb. Okay, that's gonna fit, isn't it? Yes, okay. Right, so we're now going to plug it in to make sure that bulb works. Shit. Which it should. Hopefully no explosions. We don't want explosions. Okay, plugging it in, turning it on. Here we go. And that's why I think it needs new carbon brushes. But that bulb works. That is fantastic news. That is one thing done that we wanted to do, was fix that bulb, because she said the light doesn't work. Okay, so now I think we're safe in putting the hood back on. Shame about that. Everything's done under here, it's all vaxed, it's all cleaned. There's not much I can do with certain things in there. leave it on for the time being. Okay, so now we are going to redo the screws. Not that, this one. Stop shaking. It's got that side. It's not got this side. Has it? Oh, it has now. Biting into that cable there, I don't like that. That's a poor design by Hoover. Or that might be where it earths. Maybe. It's been squeezing that for some time. That may be where it earths. I'm not sure. Okay, so now what we can do is put the brush roll in and the belt. And of course we have to get it right. It goes in this way. Belt. See, goes in nice and easily. Oh yeah, that's nice. Brand new belt, right. It goes that way, guys. I'm not going to make that mistake again, believe me. Everything I've got. There you go. Yep, that's correct. It's a brand new belt, it's going to be tight. Yes, it's a bit. We've vacked the underneath of this, so this should go on quite nicely. It's a bit loose on that side, but there you go. And brushes are good. Look at that, they hit the carpet. Nice. So we're done underneath. Underneath is done. Okay, so now we've got the bag. We're going to sort the bag out now. The flange. Look, it's got the pink lever. It has the pink lever. Superb. Couldn't ask for anything better for an original. Okay, so the next thing to do is, I don't know why I turned it around, we're popping in a new bag. So let's get it open again. There's your spring. It's a spring, look at that. I don't get them now. And we're popping in a bag. Hoover bag. Ooh, oh, they've all fell out. Joy. As always. I do have a lot of fun with these. Putting them on and stuff. This can only go well, guys. This can only go well. Right, it's there. They're getting in the way. Right. There we go. And that is that. It's quite easy, really. Oh, and I think we're ready. Okay, so now we've maintained and serviced her, put the brush roll on the right way, put the belt on the right way, cleaned her, put a new bulb in her. Let's see what she can do. Oh, for crying out loud. Right, try again. Stop snapping belts, seniors. Jesus Christ. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Well, you know what I'm going to say. I am definitely keeping this girl forever. Very rare as it is. Fantastic machine. Ground the carpet. That motor is really nice. Wasn't expecting that from a second-hand Deluxe 652, but wow. Yeah, I think my maintenance and service did justice. I think I've done the good job. The bulb works and the motor works. The belt's fine. The brush bar's fine. And yeah, no suppressor in it. That is just fantastic news all round. So yes, we will try and get a pink cord bag. Well, I'm happy with that one because what else can you have really? So, like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.